Nyame wa domna sa de pebichiwa unehwi kase obekase onyame adom because when it ene ye hospitals ahodo na unse nipa wono nyoma nyina nka eka sika nkwa dia.
That's right.
Anka only problem kwa but eka say uko kolebu uko 37 uko rich baby abeti afebi agini patu obi ade onse nipa ebreye pa ntisa de pachu say dia na oti apoti mi ko bankwa de so de nyame aso kwanso nkoso. Amen. Odi wani che a lot of prayer camps nipa bi ti say ye ebinim kro wo boro ye so enso akopie prayer camps ahodo a ni na yade anko a nti ni yesuan ekase eyi hu free yade eni eye owu because yade de obi nyawo a na free yade apart from yade no dia kan yewu ahụ che the way there you survive the lumba she in crying onyame wo mrema obia
sanity
because one fan one go to nyame so ebre ti say na hwe de wona eya amanyosem na hwe de wona original Ghana na emu omiamia bi wo hwe won su ni on ban bi omo da na di na wo hwe say no the whole Ghana prime time radio ajebre discuss aketua for first and second ladies emreko aya kwan ne hospitals ene ye suku sem ene anyinam kane awon se na mabu no munni adwuma ye no ehun komo ho bebre na no say we have a problem nti dey am cause ka say media no momodia se ono entiase se nioma bi a ensem fata eni kwan kwase man attention yes man attention odona ada hosa for years
na so omugusu team
men ka so omugusu afi na enokra no baby edu no huhunye ehu bi mu
kwabna
kopem se yebehu se ade na esese ye free odona na ewie payo na Africa se ti odona me ne Afena men kaso omugusu they have started they just started it is the moment you say omugusu as if it's a process that has been ongoing they just started that is how deceptive government after government it is an antiasi and draw attention say we enya ni so yanti say dogo bi kre nu abi omopa omunum because omunum de bi agya ho Insure betobia no monum no maja no moko
na finance
na ye no skills no maja oko that kind of governance no e was here catch of bia obetra akonya no say ye twem ho bi wo ya anya sa de friend impuntu ankasa o de hebrea any pepper ye kase ye discuss ade fa wona ye amanyo sem obekọ into their interest hwe how omunyina adwene ko benkrom na say de Ghana impuntu ankasa beba na say be chronicle asamo apni na man o say Luke 12:15. Then he said to them, watch out, be on your guard against all kinds of greed. Life does not consist in abundance of possession. Do we say Japadiano? TB Joshua Nekono. Professor No School. It we say Japadiano. Mimi ne wona ye pre gidigidia ye pe dan be 700. Cars be 200 no. What is it for? Because the moment you have abundance, no more multi locality on Mupote Monina, no, Obia Diano, you are not safe.
Oh, of course.
It is a old junior,
of course.
Junior man nipa do doana Hobenyan for it will be a bompire, your friend intercessor Biano, or a very powerful person. Or demand pie before no, or me dangerous. Obi or 24 hours or more pie craman order. Baby Odima Wana, Odima Multimedia, Odima Koyo Fojo, Odima Mine, Nimpaya Oban 24 or Mobi Man order. Odima Sempa, Sani Pano, Onyamieni Kuno, because Wabetias the essence of life. So baby, I will take Wabnas and Tonkwan, Okra Cars Bear 20. No, Okra die beds now, Onkwa and your Busu. You are endangering yourself and your children.
That's right. And they are no crepa.
It is a year or more mono, or more the phone, no more man yourself. No, so because they can afford, because they have power, they are taking advantage of us and abusing us. A John Fish or more secured or more protected. One day, they see you better tap on Cheney or Beji war, a J war no so. The first target, no. A young frontliners, no. In this case, a health workers, so because health workers, Lancashire Crown, or more problem. The first line of attack, no, central for a man yourself for one a year titu. It is Antokwa Yaku or my Ghana, no. Yes, central for Nananum, assemblyman for Asofo, politicians, Yenina, as I say, dear Hujim, near exposed to Ghana for Binimoa, almost sent tentenua edin semunu edin semonia yenka no
what sectors I saw for no
but so unim say Debbie, you're the pluses and the minus. You cannot rule out roller shuffle a play in this country. At the same time, you cannot rule out how almost a minimum abuse the vulnerability of majority of Ghanaians. The vulnerability the base because one, nimdia ebinyo, 2, ahochera 3, a comedy, 4, a jumanyo. And if we don't start thinking about this as a country, now the BIA betra boy who baso 4 times Africa champion, Blaster, and they could say, a chum, and nay Blaster in the Sibren their way. Ghana assumed dear man, Ghana assumed dear man, a chumo, and they assumed how are we protecting and securing it? Ghana, Melbourne, Debia, that make us both skilled and unskilled. Where are the opportunities for them? Because as I'm back to you, 1 year careful, a better mribino. Nipa be boy ready per fee. I'm a near D on your shoe or Boa Sumber 6 years. No, John, no, did no, I may not. Because the time I say, oh, boy, Nipa do na Cassettimino reasonably, no, fairly, no, was Abreno, and now the Juna Ketu at my first ladies. Sabreno, and now the Junisika won't come as a good butum. Sabreno, and now the Juna one Casa Coffee and him no, Yanya Aquan and Quamau. You want to live good at the expense of reasonable number of people. And how can we continue to live like that as a country? For years I take it, but for the rains, maybe that's how I see it. But for the rains, and Casa done as skills your way in come entry. But for the rains, of course. Nasi betum poa. Eden ye twa na nya my women kwana both political parties and Ghanaians sebi ya dwene wo for mutino ye beto aba all political parties for TTU MPP ni NDC. A typical example here Kania na jo ni ye kwan na jo we ye hu say beto aba. So you're asking yourself, are we that stupid? Are we that vulnerable? Are we that naive? Is that the development that we think that we want? Is that the progress that we think that we want? See, about 1 week to election. Obako constituency, you know. My name says Ghana 40 years 247. Meaning, my name says Ghana 4 no road, no vote, no road, no vote. I can't drama. Of course, that's why I can't drama.
I'm demanding for road, no.
That's why I can't drama. Africa, no road, no vote, no. Because you can't yet. And a baby, no road, no vote. To cry, the best at Tuama, I buy no more cry. No road, no vote, no matter to you, man, no more. Let's get our priorities right. Mr. Obi Biara or a certain position a Ghana and I don't know not now. So Sorano Pano Juma. Osha Kwan left by Osha Newtown, but I want a new town. And to the regional minister, I'll urge him because on the constituency.
Yeah.
The Juma Power Newtown.
Newtown.
Every day, the number of young man, the number shoots up. Now, Hemachibe 3 say, oh, ba, now share a mapa, nem kwadanki twa, a wobrewemu, issue a gugu, muso, as a jerry or mus,
yeah,
issue no mu jamu na gu gatenim, no mu juso gu gatenim.
Serious.
I have very serious.
Even this done, me by me home.
Yeah, so, yeah, a lot of things that we have to get right. A lot of things. Say what kokolebu pa rakolebu children's order. Who say your problem.
There are some more. No, but issues when you come once a month.
No, you can't want some enough. We have not gotten to the point where you're doing a singing natural say, Oba now but the opportunity we have as media men. The privileges that we have as media men, we have to shape the thoughts, we have to shape the thinking of all of us as a people. Yes, sir. Bribia that the politician will come and sit here and deceive us. Do you know that as we speak now, in Bronga Afo, Mr. Brafo, Afo, Bank Bia Unitia, Oya and Jose Peram R5, still Nipa Eguso Esivu.
Really?
Yes.
And does it that
because the frustration is leading people astray. Desperation and foolishness, greed, edufudipe is leading people astray. if we say oh yaka dear we yaka because opeso ko side na mfom so ba or the akosha ban na yasa ko gina ban ko maka kira ban say wo na say o hwe yeso nti no wan hwe yeso na obi abu mi de e say otua music am say me nto abama nipa no wadi sebone no no afa no wadi no ko we have suffered as a country from the days of Piram and R5 ebesi enne in fact omo di jiri mu nyina besi enne sa kwa amafa kana sichi ade abuye no ade importe pa na esiom de biada omo ko akokoto ba o de wo kotu abe keke kotu abe e wo bi afu
o se ababe mami bu abro ba
na msi kotu na ba bia ogina bia bewo. So we should not let the law also seem to be coming across as selective. When we the intimate France and Sankomo, but when we the intimate Omosakomo, when we start building such nations and countries, what we are developing is that eventually there's going to be an eruption, more than volcano. What system ne ba kokra mebunu no omani bere abere no nyeso omompa adwuma yo mebunu no ti omati ate say anything goes for them. You will be shocked that this time in Ghana, in Accra, openly people are smoking weed like cigarette openly. East Legon. East Legon. Broad daylight. Yeah, openly people are smoking weed.
That's not correct.
Or they call or they buy openly. Cigarette openly.
No say.
Yes, and also no. Yes, then it becomes a part and parcel of us. Openly.
No, but Kwabna Mamim Bissau. Is it that
Uber Abedipele a new time friends and new time
farm? Yeah.
Traffic light before the past 1 week, Ebudaho, Egusu,
Ebudaho. Yes, a soda from
a soda. But on my Ghana, a department, they are supposed to take control over all these things, the management of our traffic lights. Into a bianiwa, also unit one ma. What who say? This particular traffic light, a Buddha, Eswa, and a Pebia, and you may not 24 hours. These people will get paid at the end of the month.
Is it not also because you're through firing of people when people are not doing the right thing?
Well, it is not about we have leadership crisis.
Really?
Everywhere, every department, you can leadership crisis, and yet the presidency in Kwao. Leadership crisis is a boy in now everywhere we find ourselves.
Across board.
Yes.
Baby.
Because if we don't drift from say you can see a punish you can say Awana. Now Awana kofa Hassan Aba. Esa semene Hassan de ko school ntino. Na Hassan so ne makasa na oni we kura maybe by no offer on a bua anya san kwanti ba ndu baby a wadu na amanchire. Na uno Awana no me fan channel. But that's in the meeting.
No, but Kwabena, what kind of leader do we need? What's the leadership crisis?
Oh,
you need leaders.
We never say, you're leader. Otimika say, ne ane, ne derby, ne derby. Ne focus to develop Ghana, and I say ministry be, and as because what leader? What has this great Accra minister demonstrated? He has exposed a lot of ministers of Mabanomoko.
Yeah,
He has exposed a lot of ministers of Mabanomoko.
Because
I'm fine for sound.
Yeah, of course.
The party for Beja. A lawyer for minimum Rabeja. Because a bidding cross, I say a cousin and I'm on 202. A theatre found this.
Yeah.
And that found the Dramatra can say, a man your sema ya kebimamin kebi, a man your sema ya. And she swoka crabbing him no. And koye. Democracy without a little bit of dictatorship, the kind of progress that we are looking for, we will not get it.
Yeah. Then they are no crap.
And you doom pempenswa. Yen timi nkosa achichidie bi mu. Ese se hare ye ho.
Na ya jani obabi.
Na afa ye mpanyimfo nso ti ase se. Ebra ye du no, enya mre a ye de ye si so enie. A typical example. Me of am akwato oye kwan ni bi. NPP buy om say omo de akwan hodo nya titiri kokoros. Omo ye nhwehwemu na afa omo hwe kwan me.
Na mo ye audit ni ade.
Where is that report?
Where is
that report? Where is the report? Because akwan hudu aja nyina no efa dodo na no na ekokorosa aban we buy oka say esa kwan efa so e ma contract bia anko yi esa say ebi kura kwan no so na omuni nkrata enu nti enya hwehwemu papa wi ansa na ewi a ya ma so ometo so for 5 years. This administration is like the way my MMDC is now Ghana kwasho kwaye no obi anfa ho no yet your man na 7 months pa intimi board intimi director generals intimi MMDCs yet your man ganem any aban sisan ke be den aban oto asumponi so be break it down and now can nipa bi so montia say it's broken down. Things have fallen apart. The center is not holding.
And center no way.
Asempa.
Na center no way.
Asempa. Mami for wintrato.
Center no way. Kwabena.
They should demonstrate to us that they can give us and they are giving us hope. Titru mebuno no. Their boys are bro.
Ekroma yeshi mom.
Their boys are yeshi.
Ekroma yeshi.
If you drive through,
ekroma yeshi.
Na wonu baby o just say na. Asempa, ye na nyame asema ne musu.
Hey,
say ya mo musu, wo te bia asesa. We are the target.
Kabla me say
I have people who call me for 50 cedis to buy gas for omo kitchen aduane.
What dey also 50 cedis? 50
cedis. Me ya dem fi say omo di ago. Me ebi wa me di akinye kofie ekofa gas na nkasa cylinder no. E fele e di ma omo. Na ampa no de odi be aduane odi be yen so e gari odi no asu hye keke. Do twi be ko di o. When we have gotten to know, if the people don't know, if the people don't know, especially this government, if the people don't know, if the people don't know, when those privileged positions now, if they care to know, and yet normal times the woman know, when normal no maybe an because of how they are becoming across as selfish. And people are only greed as Obama.
No, but is it that omu nim the ecoso system?
Well, all politicians and political parties, they take us for granted, and they've taken us for granted for long. It's a typical example. Say near for normal fire. Say nim the equa. We don't know what time is it. Now crack Kumasi Road. From 1992, ABC now no pay 7 July 2021. Yeah. If they've not taken us for granted, Anka Jura Hospital in the TBM. If they've not taken us for granted, Nanka Kolebu and TBM. If they've not taken us for granted, Anka Suku Samon Neshabreni. If they've not taken us for granted, and Komenya Kukudro Abakache say, or more Jini Kwa Befa first and second ladies, a man paying for you or more soon the Omo Chum. If they think that, forgive me, we are fools.
Kwabra no monsieur mame. No monsieur mame. Why? Abusia Ghana Kosai and I would say, oh my Kwabra Sante is about 23 minutes after 7.